Unlock the power of instant communication and build seamless interactions with your users using Telnyx SMS. First, head over to the Telnyx portal and navigate to the messaging section here. You'll find everything you need to manage your SMS capabilities. To send and receive texts, you'll need a Telnyx phone number. Make sure you have one purchased and configured for SMS. Now, let's dive into sending an SMS. The Telnyx API uses simple and intuitive endpoints to send a message. You'll use the messages endpoint. You can find this endpoint in your Telnyx API documentation. This API call requires a few key parameters to, which is the recipient's phone number, from, which is your Telnyx phone number, and of course, text, which is the body of your message. Upon a successful API call, you'll receive a response with a unique message ID. This confirms your message has been successfully submitted. Receiving messages is just as easy. Telnyx uses webhooks to notify your application when a new SMS arrives. To set this up, you'll need to configure a messaging profile within the Telnyx portal. This profile will contain the URL where you want to receive incoming SMS messages. When a message is received, Telnyx will send a post request to your specified URL, containing all the details of the incoming SMS, including the sender's phone number and the message content. Now you can build dynamic and responsive applications, enabling two-way communication for appointment reminders, customer support, and more using Telnyx SMS.